Last week, something funny happened to me. I was sitting in a coffee shop, enjoying a cup of coffee. The weather was nice and everything felt perfect. After about 30 minutes, I decided it was time to go home. I picked up my bag and walked outside. But suddenly, I realized something. My phone was missing. I checked my pockets. Nothing. I checked my bag. Still nothing. I started to panic. Where is my phone? Did I leave it at the coffee shop? I quickly went back inside. I looked around my table, but my phone wasn't there. Then I walked up to one of the staff members. I asked, "Excuse me, has anyone found a phone?" The staff member smiled. She picked up a phone and asked, "Is this yours?" Happy. I looked at it. Yes, it was my phone. I was so relieved. I smiled and said, "Thank you so much." The staff member replied, "No problem." Gentle. From that day on, I always check my phone before leaving a place. Have you ever lost your phone?